Box 5. Empty box. Empty box. Let's get them going. Oh, a couple of fat ones to start. Last box had a bunch of patches, some on-card autos. Sick, sick, sick. Everybody enjoying themselves so far? Tell you what, man, this Prestige, I try and do Prestige every year, and this is, I'm telling you, they did awesome this year. I watched a lot at the card shop get open, so. All right. Base, base, base. First pack, got a hit for the Giants. Ruben Randall out of 299 jersey. DeVire Posey for the Texans. And Michael Kendricks for the Eagles. Serious, I'm going to quit saying Posey. Base, 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 base. Cards are upside right. Cool. Decoy, Jared Allen. Insert. That's what I want to see auto of. Levante David for the Bucks. Check. Base, 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 base. Insert for the Broncos. Ronnie Hillman. Colts rookie, Dwayne Allen. Base, 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 base. Extra points for the Chiefs, Matt Castle. Patriots rookie, Donta Hightower. Base, 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 base. Orson Charles rookie for the Bengals. Bears wide receiver, Alshon Jeffrey. And Vic Ballard rookie for the Colts. 3 cards in that pack. Base, base, base. Base, base, base. 49ers, A.J. Jenkins. Insert. Lamar Miller, rookie. Base, 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 base. Oh, we got another patch auto. One color patch auto. Out of 99 for the Seahawks. Chase at the card store, going to be happy. Russell Wilson. Kind of a crappy patch on that one. But to be honest, can't complain. Ryan Tannehill. Look, you were 1 card away. Insert. Stephen Gilmore for the Bills. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Insert. Alshon Jeffrey, rookie for the Bears. Base, base, base. Ryan Mallett. Wrong year, buddy. I might be able to hook you up if you're wanting one, though. Romo's good, man. Still got an auto and a jersey left in this. Base, base, base. Lots of decoys. Colts, Dwayne Allen, insert. Whitney Merciless, rookie. Base, 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 base. Wow, duplicate hit. Oh, duplicate. That was like a duplicate pack. Drew Brees, jersey. Out of 299 or 249. Dre Kirkpatrick for the Bengals, alternate rookie. Sun in the background. Joe Adams, rookie for the Panthers. Base, 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 base. For the Jets, insert Tim Tebow. This one is the Jets. B.J. Coleman for the Packers. Base. Colts, insert Dwayne Allen. And for the Dolphins, Rishard Matthews, rookie. Base. He's fine. Base. Decoy, Laurent Robinson for the Jaguars, extra points. Michael Floyd, rookie for the Cardinals. Base. Man, I'm going to have every card this guy has. DeVire Posey, blue, extra points out of $9.99. Brock Osweiler, insert. And Matt Khalil, base rookie. DeVire Posey, dude, come on. Base, baseball. Decoy. LaMichael James, insert for the 49ers. Kendall Wright, base rookie for the Titans. Base. On card autograph for the Jets. Oh, Stephen Hill. On card auto. Gotta like that. I think he's in the room. For the Saints, Nick Toon. And for the Packers, Nick Perry. Base. Houston Texans, Andre Johnson. New York Jets, Ruben Randall. Base. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's do this. Look at it. I still got 7 minutes. Oh, no, it was Ruben Randall. The Stephen Hill was Jets. I'm sorry, what did I say? Stephen Hill. And the Jets were sold. I think you're wrong. Base. League leaders, Saints, Packers. Titans, Zach Brown, rookie. Hey, buddy. Base. Owen Daniels, extra points, gold. Mark Barron, rookie for the Bucks. Base. Browns, insert Trent Richardson. And Browns rookie, Brandon Whedon. Base. Denver Broncos, insert Tim Tebow. Out of 1,500. Colts, Kobe Fleener, insert. And Luke Kuechly, base rookie. All right, last few cards here. Base. Decoy. Andy Dalton, extra points, gold. Jeff Fuller for the Dolphins, rookie. Insert for the Chargers, Melvin Ingram. Rookie for the Bengals, George Iloka. Base. Mark Barron for the Buccaneers out of $9.99, extra points. Connections, Eli Manning, Victor Cruz. The Giants, and the Giants have the rookie David Wilson for the last pack of the box. And a 10-minute box. Are you kidding me? We're going to recap these. Ruben Randall jersey out of $2.99. Russell Wilson patch auto out of $99. Stars of the NFL Drew Brees auto or jersey. Drake Kirkpatrick rookie alternate, and the Stephen Hill New York Jets on card auto. Thanks, guys.